Last week, sunny, warm, summer-like. This week, anything but. We are talking some unsettled, very spring-like weather as low pressure will just dominate our weather pattern. We had a big pattern shift over the weekend with that wet weather, and it will continue this week as this low will then deepen going into the weekend. That's when we're tracking the potential for some measurable potential snow here in the Denver metro area. As far as your radar is concerned, that wet weather moving in from the west will continue to impede our sky as far as cloud cover is concerned today, but we will likely stay on the drier side for the vast majority of us going into the afternoon. Maybe a little bit of light mountain snow at times, a few flurries possible in the high country, but temperatures still stay warmer. We're headed for highs today in the low 60s across the Denver area. Mountains today 40s and 50s as you head down toward Pueblo. That's where we're looking at about 71 degrees for today. We are also looking at some high fire danger down into the southeast the next couple of days. Winds could gust as high as 50 miles per hour with humidity dropping as low as about 10%. So that'll be what we're watching as far as fire weather. Otherwise, winter weather in the high country. We have winter weather advisories in place from today at 9 p.m. until Wednesday at 6 a.m. We're looking at winds gusting up to about 60 miles per hour, but along with that, the potential for some measurable snow in possible parts picking up as much as a foot of snow in the high country. So that'll certainly be something we'll want to watch as the mountains are preparing for that type of precipitation. For us here in the Denver area, it will likely be mostly rain. For today, on the quiet side again, could see a few stray showers this evening into mainly northeastern Colorado out into the plains. The high country will start to see more of that snow build overnight and into early tomorrow. By tomorrow morning, we are tracking rain chances in the Denver area, some light rain showers by the afternoon. That chance becomes a little more widespread. Could see some rain, maybe a few storms out there, a clap of thunder. Overnight Tuesday into Wednesday, rain turns to a mix of rain snow. For the places like the Palmer Divide, we could see a little bit of slushy snow out there heading into eastern Colorado as well. Then by Wednesday morning, we've got a brief lull in the precipitation. The high country will continue to see some snow, but we here in Denver will likely be on the drier side waking up Wednesday morning. But by Wednesday afternoon, that all changes. Another surge of precipitation comes through. We're talking some rain chances, maybe even a rain-snow mix at times out into parts of eastern Colorado, and then more precipitation chances Thursday and into Friday. So here's how that all plays out on your extended forecast. We are looking at rain chances tomorrow with a bit of a breeze, temperature sliding into the 50s. Those chances really build again into the afternoon, and then heading into Wednesday, a quiet start turns to a chance at some PM showers. Thursday, a few showers possible, and then Friday and Saturday right now, first alert weather days possible, because that is when we are tracking the potential for some measurable snow going into the weekend. It would be Friday night and into Saturday morning that we'll want to keep our eye on. We will be on the cooler side, temperatures getting into the mid 40s by Saturday. So keeping our eye on that. It looks like by next week we'll start to see those temperatures build. But until then, kind of settle in for what will be an unsettled week in the weather department.